I do not really understand about key concept and common type of takaful.
Okay, the key concept of takaful there is two main element in there, which is tabaruk means donation and ta'awun means mutual help. Participant contribute to common fund which is managed by takaful company. When one of the takaful member participant they experience loss, the fund will given to them. And the most important part in takaful, they did not same with insurance. They do not have riba, gharar and maisir, which is prohibited in Islam.
Okay, common type of takaful have family takaful, then medical takaful, and last education takaful. Family takaful provide financial support in the event of death of permanent disability. Medical takaful helps cover hospital expense and critical illness treatment. Education takaful assists in saving for a child future education.
Understand.
Okay, masya-Allah. Syukran ya Habib.
Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Okay. Why is risk management and takaful, why is it important?
Some case we do a business but we don't have some money, so we may take a takaful to run the office. It's not only provide some financial, we also like provide some encourage to our community and mutual help, because sometimes takaful not only help for financial but it also help us to get send a mutual communication between us and our customer.
Okay. Why is risk management important in takaful?
Okay, it's because takaful provides financial protection while staying in line with Islamic principles. And then second, it encourages a sense of community and mutual help, where we are Muslim are encouraged to help each other.
So what are the core financial risk in risk management and takaful?
Okay, so for the financial risk and risk in takaful, first is the underwriting risk that the takaful operator miscalculates or misprices the contributions. Basically, the contribution should be proportionate to the amount or the sum insured, right? For example, if house, the payment must be more than a car because a house costs more. But sometimes they may miscalculate this, and this will cause loss to the takaful operator and everyone else in the takaful. Second is operational risk, which is a risk that is incurred by the internal processes of the takaful. Maybe someone there's system errors, machine errors, human errors. These are all operational risks. The third is credit risk. So this is on the part of the counterparties of the takaful operators or any participants, basically whoever subscribe but fail to pay. Right?
By default,
the default, the payment. Okay, and the fourth is liquidity risk. So this is the same risk as conventional, in which where if many people try to claim at once, for example, there's a large flood or as earthquake and many people try to claim their policies, the takaful operator may not be able to fulfill everyone's request. And the fifth is market risk. So whenever we take takaful, the contribution for takaful is used to invest, and sometimes the investments may fail or they may drop, and this is the very risk lah. Right. Okay.
Thank you for the answers.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you also for helping us.
Welcome.